So at the time the Sasol natural gas project was conceptualized, the gas bill and the related regulations governing Sasol's importation of gas from Mozambique to South Africa hadn't been finalized. Now, certainty for Sasol and the other stakeholders was obtained by way of a special regulatory dispensation between the Minister of Minerals and Energy and the Minister of Trade and Industry from South Africa. What did this mean? This agreement, in effect, put in place a series of protocols, and these protocols really governed the licensing and the regulations that would be applicable to Sasol in terms of the gas bill once it had been finalized into a legislative act. So it gave Sasol certainty as to the laws and to the regulations the South African government was going to impose on them regarding the importation of gas. Now, this regulatory agreement was novel in facilitating the transaction, and it ensured that the whole project wasn't held up by the lack of legislative and regulatory certainty. The South African and the Mozambican government authorities were key enablers in resolving this uncertainty. Without their involvement, the participation and the assurances received, Sasol would not have proceeded with the project. The uncertainties were simply too great. There were other regulatory risks, and these are best explained in the institutional and the legal arrangements section, which goes through the legal agreements a little bit later on.